How to erase iPhone without Apple ID password if forgot. If you have forgotten your Apple ID password and you want to erase your iPhone, then here's how to do it. If Find My iPhone is enabled, you can erase your iPhone through iCloud. You can do this even without knowing your Apple ID password. However, you will need to log in to iCloud with your Apple ID, so if you have forgotten the password, you will need to reset it first. To do this, you can visit iCloud.com and sign into your Apple ID in your web browser. If you have forgotten your password, click Forgot Apple ID or Password to reset it. Once you are logged in your iCloud, you need to go back to your home page and open Settings. In Settings, go to your Apple ID at the top. Now click on the option Find My. Make sure that Find My iPhone is turned on. If this didn't work, then you need to contact Apple support. If you cannot use iCloud or iTunes or Finder, your next option is to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. They may be able to help you erase the iPhone and unlock it, but you will likely need to provide proof of ownership. Apple may still ask for your Apple ID password or proof of ownership to verify that the iPhone is yours before erasing or unlocking it. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.